Bear is a coffee house, specialty coffee house, kitchen and bar. So we go from all day, from serving brunch in the morning, from your pastries, specialty coffee, your flat whites, your filter coffee, all the way through to your espresso martinis and your meze boards in the evening.
We first came up with the idea in December 2014, which was when we became incorporated, and the background of that was Craig had
spent a lot of time travelling between the UK and Asia and Australia. I've got friends and family in Australia, and the cafe culture over there was just something that drew me in. It's quite interesting, it's quite creative, but also there's a business element of it.
And then came back to our hometown of Etoxford and just decided that we wanted to do something for ourselves. And in small market towns we noticed that there wasn't many things like us. So
it was definitely about creating a space that we enjoyed to be in, and from that we were serving products that we were just genuinely interested in making. We looked at all our systems from the very beginning, and we wanted to make sure we were always on the cloud, and we wanted to make sure that we were thinking forward about what new technologies were available to us.
So we switched to Tavalis around October, November last year, because that was a cloud-based platform that did monitors, obviously, point of sale, stock management, business analytics, it does cash management.
I think journeying from one site to the 5 that we've got, going on 6 now, and then furthermore, it just meant that we needed to find something that was scalable with us, but still met them the technological demands of being cloud-based and being available to access information as and when we want to see it. I also loved Tavalis because it meant that we could have a platform that worked across multiple sites, depending on what their menus were, what their till build was going to be like, and it was something that we could work with and learn from as well. We have used Paymentsense since the very first day that we started, back in 2016. Our EPOS provider then recommended Paymentsense, and they just looked like the business that we wanted to work with.
So that's why we chose them, because we didn't want a standalone machine that produces variances and user error and things like that.
And then from moving from that EPOS provider to Tavalis, they also used Paymentsense, so that transition worked quite seamlessly, and it was just hassle-free. And in terms of customer support from Paymentsense, it's been really good. They've helped us grow. They've read into our vision. They understand what we want to try and achieve as a business, and they want to work with that. They believe in what we're trying to do.
And then the service that you get for that with 24-hour terminal replacement and things like that. So if your card machine goes down, you get a replacement within 24 hours.
Onboarding with Paymentsense was really easy. They sent us all the hardware. It came directly to us. They talked through. We went through some aspects of it with the EPOS provider in terms of making sure that they knew we wanted a fully integrated service rather than keying in the numbers on the actual device.
Tavalis install the tills, and then it's just a conversation between those Paymentsense and Tavalis to integrate it. The machine gets delivered, it's already got all the software set up ready to just talk to the till. And
now if we do any events, so we've got a really cool pop-up coffee bar that we take to events with people like Condor and other cool brands that are around the UK, and we can pop up there and we can serve coffee to their clients at their event, and we can take a card terminal that just works without any data. It just has 3G or whatever's available, and we can serve in the middle of a field, which is incredible. We are a very ambitious brand. We want to be a UK or a global challenger brand as we grow, and we do understand that they are very ambitious targets. So we rein that in, and we focus at the moment on delivering really good hospitality, really good customer service, and serving really good product in spaces that people just want to be in. And that's where we are. And it's as much as it's about the customers, it's about the people that work for us as well. We want to make sure people have value from working with us as a brand, and we input into their life in some kind of positive way. And yeah, if that's success to us.